While I'm working in the garden, this girl is
Painting.
you're painting her. What are you trying to paint? On blocks?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it cold for you here?
No.
No, it's not cold. What I love is every time I'm out here working, the girls always coming out here with me and have fun. So this is also a really fun part of gardening. Say hi.
Hi. I used to play, but not anymore. Like I used to not do this stuff, but now I do.
Well, it was cold, so now the weather is starting to be better. So you're out here with Daddy, right?
Yeah, it's starting to be better, so I
Yeah.
started to stay inside, and some dangerous stuff started to happen.
Like what?
Winds and stuff dangerous, but we still get out.
Yeah.
We still hang out outside, but we have school and practice, so we don't mind.
All right. The whole family's out here, and this lady's studying. Why don't you join us, huh?
I'm busy.
Busy doing what? Look at her, very cozy and comfortable. What are you having for breakfast? Eggo? Waffle? With what? Maple syrup? Well, first and foremost, look at what I've put myself through. Growing tropical trees in the desert here. You know, it gets cold in the winter, so...
This is not the desert.
It is the desert, it's Las Vegas. So, always have to protect the tropical plants. And, you know, it's not as attractive as it is right now. Not very attractive right now. But the goal is I'll clean up for the next few days. Oh, we go the way. Ready, Annie? As always, I have a lot to show you guys. But my primary focus today is cleaning up and uppot some of the plants that need to be. The first one I'll work on is the lemon tree. Well, this is gonna help me, right? What up, man?
No.
What? Why are you wearing a jacket? Huh? Say hi. Okay, back to this lemon tree. The first thing I'll do today is uppot this to a 25 gallons container. It seems...
I got the ball in.
You get the ball in? Well, we need to clean this up bad.
I'm talking about this ball.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna uppot this. It seems like it outgrew this part, and pretty sure there's a lot of root bounce, which will cause this to drop flowers. hopefully this will give me a lot of fruits, a lot of lemon this year, and I'm very happy. It should be good. It's gonna be tough to carry around the yard. So one of the things that you have to, I originally want to plant this in ground, but I'm not sure what I'm doing with the yard yet. So I have no clue where I will put this down. So I'll put it in the pot for now, and maybe in a year or so, if when my yard is laid out pretty well, then I'll figure out a way to put this in ground. But right now, I think it's looking good. This needs a little bit of pruning here, and then I'll be set to go.
Mama,
Yeah?
can I have a picture of a flower?
What flower?
This flower.
What?
The flower.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What was that, Annie?
It's a mint.
It's not a mint.
It's a mint.
You sure?
Yes.
Are you studying hard? Huh?
I mean,
I'm trying.
You're trying to study hard.
Mommy, I picked it
Why are you guys in gymnastic clothes?
because we were working out.
You're working out? Okay. I'm gonna pick one of this kumquat so the old lady can try. Yeah, you can pick one, but you have to eat it, okay?
But it's for my teacher.
No. Okay, give this a try. Tell me how you eat it.
Daddy, is
I'm just
this
gonna eat the whole thing.
With the skin?
Maybe bite it. It would
is this Daddy, is this one sweet?
Yeah, it's sweet. You can try it.
This one?
What does it taste like?
It tastes like tangerines. Today's the perfect weather.
It's sweet on the outside, but it's sour. The juice is sour,
Come on, honey,
but it's
let's
juicy.
change.
It's juicy, huh? The skin is very sweet, huh? Like candy sweet?
I don't think it's candy sweet.
Not
I
yet?
wouldn't say it's candy sweet. Not
What kind of sweet? Sugar sweet? Mato sweet? From 1 to 10, how sweet it is?
yet. I would say it's 6.
6.
Mom, is it okay if
But
I pick... Dad, is this okay if I pick this out?
Flavorful. I like the fragrance.
Is
It's
it
nice.
okay if I pick this out?
Yes, you may.
What you doing to my tree? Try it.
Where's the apricot?
Bite it.
I can't.
Bite it. Just bite it.
I can't.
Just bite it from the tree.
No.
Yeah, try it.
No.
You bite it from the tree. I give you permission to. Okay, you got it. Okay, bite into it.
Wait, is it the skin edible?
Yeah, skin is very sweet.
I love the skin.
You like it? There's a seed. It's kind of tangy inside, huh? You got the seed?
The skin, it tastes weird.
That's weird. You don't like it?
I'm gonna show the people this. But this part, the juice in there, it tastes kind of. Daddy, you gotta show
Oh, you
people
like?
this.
So what?
Come on. Look at these apricots blooming. Look, even one tree branch is blooming.
Yeah.
Right there. I think we planted this one. Oh no, we planted over there. Look at that plant. Oh, one time we plant there, it's getting big there.
Yeah.
So we shouldn't have did that. So we need pomegranates. It's fully grown.
No, that's from last year and it dried up on the tree.
So it's old.
Yeah, there's no one. See, there's nothing inside. The bird got to it.
The birds eat it.
The birds.
This.
That's a dry up tomato
Oh,
from last year.
gross.
I know. We're gonna restart it this year.
Yeah. I want to pop one.
Don't make a mess, dude. After in the yard, we'll come pork chop and we'll have lunch with the family. Yummy. Cheers. Yummy.